Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is Zara. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe if you do like my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support and thank you for returning. Today's video is a Sunday reset routine, and I'm just going to be taking you guys throughout my Sunday and just showing you what I do. And some of the things I do is just to prepare me for the new week, ready for a new fresh week of work. So I just like to get everything nice and tidy. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. It's going to be a lot of things around the house and just, you know, just getting me rejuvenated and relaxed, ready for a new week. So I really hope you enjoy this kind of video, and if you do like this sort of content, then give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.
So guys, the first thing that I'm doing is just stepping out of bed and opening up the blinds, just allowing some light into the room. And then I literally wear my nice comfy slippers. By the way, if you guys want to know where I got these slippers from, I purchased them from Primark. I absolutely love them. They're super cozy. So I put those on, and then I like to do my bed as the first thing. I just believe that making your bed every single day just sets the tone for the day. So I like to make sure I get that out of the way. Then whilst I'm getting the bed together, I like to spray some Febreze because it just smells nice and just makes your sheets smell really good. I finish with the bed. I like to go straight into the kitchen and start to unload the dishwasher. This is like part of my routine that I just like to do. I just like to unload dishes and then start putting in any sort of dishes that are sort of on the surfaces or just, you know, from overnight. That's what I just like to do, and just have that in the dishwasher. Once everything is packed away, I like to go in with my antibacterial spray and just spray the surfaces. I like to polish the table and just sort of get everything nice and clean. I just believe that if you get your house like a nice and clean before the week starts, it just helps to keep you into that routine and it helps to reset you for the week ahead. So I like to just do those kind of things because sometimes on the weekend you know, you have a little bit of mess left over. So it's just really keeping things nice and tidy, ready for the new week. That's just what I sort of go into. I just love having everything nice and clean, nicely organized. It just helps my brain and just helps me to function as well. Once I'm finished doing a little bit of cleaning, I like to take a bit of a break and just make myself something nice to eat. On this particular day, I was just having a sandwich literally and some coffee, nothing special. Some days I do feel like having something like a fruit juice or just some juice or something like that, or I just like to have some nice breakfast since it's the weekend. But on this particular day I just kept it nice and simple. Nice sandwich, turkey sandwich with avocado and a nice cup of latte, which was absolutely beautiful, guys. So that's what I am having here. I finish eating some breakfast, I start to tidy up, and then I do a bit of vacuuming and just finish off, like sort of tidying the place and getting the place together. Once I finish cleaning and everything is spick and span, I now start to have some me time, which is well deserved after doing all of that. So I go into the bath, I brush my teeth, and then I start to run my bath. I absolutely love having a bath, giving myself some self-care. You know, dealing with a job that is very demanding, I just need a bit of me time towards the end of the week, and Sundays are always my perfect day to just switch off, read a book and just relax. At the moment I'm reading this book, which you guys will see in this clip here, and it's called Manifest, and it's the 7 steps to living your best life, and it's by a lady called Roxy. I think it's Nafasi, if I'm not pronouncing that correctly. I'll link it in the description box below. But I've started reading it, and it is absolutely such a good read, and it just helps to set your mood, your tone, and just helps you to look at life on the brighter side, and just helps with manifesting things into your life. Especially now that we've started a new year, I feel like it's just important to set your intentions. So this is the perfect book. I've been loving reading it so far, and I'll let you guys know, obviously, like a full sort of review once I have finished the whole book. But so far so good. Once I finish having my bath, I like to have my sort of like pamper little session. So on this particular date, I was like waxing my underarms and just getting those nice and spick and span. If you guys want to see how I wax or how to wax, I will link the video at the end of this video, so do watch it. Then after that, I like to steam my face and do a bit of extractions, just give my skin a bit of a pamper. I put on a sheet mask, just give my skin the love that it deserves, especially after a long week. My skin just needs it so much, so this helps me to just relax and recuperate. That's done, I get into my pajamas. I finish off a little bit of skincare, put my lip gloss on, as you guys can see, and just brush my hair and get myself nice and neat and comfy. And then go to the kitchen and start doing a little bit of baking. Sundays I normally like to do a little bit of baking. So today I was actually, on this day should I say, I was actually making some banana bread, which I absolutely love. So I got my ingredients together and basically started whipping up my banana bread. Once I put my banana bread into the oven, I like to go over to the living room space and light up some candles. You guys know I absolutely love candles. I just love creating a nice relaxing ambiance, especially on a Sunday. I just love going into that mode. So I just light up my candles, and then whilst that is in the oven, I like to do a little bit of weekly planning in my diary, which I just write out everything that I sort of want to do that particular week and just putting everything into place. Otherwise, if I don't, it just muddles up with my week. So I just find that being productive, planning, preparation, it just helps with my week and just achieving everything that I need to do. Then once my preparation is done, I just get my nice comfy blankie and then just switch on some like a nice movie or a TV show, depends on how I'm feeling, and then literally just relax before like dinner is ready. I did do my preparation for dinner after my banana bread, but I didn't show you guys that because I just thought it might just be too repetitive, so I left that one out. But I've got the food in the oven and banana cake is still baking away, and just have a few minutes to just chill. Before that is ready. So this is what the banana bread looked like. This is the finished result. It smelled so beautiful, guys, so divine, and tasted so delicious. I absolutely enjoyed having this for my dessert. And then I'm showing you guys my Sunday roast, which I also enjoyed immensely. And then literally once dinner is done, I do dishes, that kind of stuff, and just tidy up and then head to bed. So guys, I step into bed with my book. I'm currently reading All That Glitters by Danielle Steele. If you're interested, I'll list in the description box below. But I'm trying to read more just to give my mind a break from all the digital and the social media, all of that, just have a bit of a detox and a break from it. So really have been enjoying that into my routine. And yeah guys, that was it for my Sunday reset routine. I really hope you have a fantastic week, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to comment, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in